Genealogy tip for the day, getting organized. I'm Dr. Shelley Murphy, and I'm going to share a tip with you today. It's about getting organized. First thing you want to do is set up a system and ask yourself, how do I access information? How will I store information? How am I setting up an area for my files? Consider labeling them alphabetically. Maybe think about using colored folders where you can distinguish which side of the family it is. Is all green folders on your father's side, all blue folders your mother's side? You just want a system that makes it be consistent for yourself. So what is going to be in your file? Make a decision how you want your file to be organized. I use the folders that have the flaps in between so I can separate. You don't have to do that. You can separate it by paper clips or some way that you can secure the papers that are in the file. Do you want to have every file set up to be the same? Sure you do. You want your files to be consistent. So a tip would be to keep all like documents together. Make sure all the census can be in order by their year. Everything that deals with military could be grouped together. Vital statistics such as your birth, death, marriage, and wills. You can also think about your land records. Also have a working section of the file where you might have the family group sheet listed. Well, I hope this gets you started on organizing your files, and good luck.